what we're gonna do today.
Your heart, just a little something on my mind.
Let's try and get some drums from somewhere. Let's just try this. Where this is in the Finder. Pull up Moises, upload, track separation, local files. It's in there. Press next, submit. Let it do its thing. See how this sounds. Need the drums from this. Hey, drums are super fast though, man. Just take the drums. Let's put it on the desktop. See what this sounds like. Okay, so put it here. All right, see what this is like now. Go to plugin, polyphony. That's the sampling. I mean, even normalizing it hasn't really made it much louder. Let's just sort these drums out. Put the API on there. Where are you? Where are you? There you are. There you go. So it's a very short part of this sample that we're going to use. Kate. There you go. Now let's just chop this up. Sub filter. This is ridiculous. Check this out. It's a little bit beefier. Let's go to plugin. Let's just try and play with the veloc. Go to sampler. And we're gonna go play with the veloc. No, it's not the velocity. We're gonna play with the pitch. Get rid of those drums. I don't know what I'm making. And this pad, we're going to load the second one. Cool. Alright, cool. Pattern 1, scene 1. 3, 4. Right, let's get this right, because this is getting on my last block nerves. This is sick. ended up making a drum and bass track with a couple of loops thrown in for measure from Resonant Blaze expansion. Anyway, with that being said, on to the next beat.